It's been raining all day so far, and I'm outside with my little puddle jumpers. It's actually still raining or sprinkling a little bit, but it's actually really refreshing because we were inside the house all day and it's not thundering or anything, so I thought we'd put some Crocs and sandals on and enjoy the puddles and then take a bath. And just, it's warm out here, so it's not like the kids would get sick by being in cold to hot and everything, so I'm just gonna let them enjoy it for a little bit before I make them go back in and be bored in the house. I'm not really a TV mom type. I like to get outside and do things, so that's what we're doing right now. I'm gonna back up. Yay! And we're done, because that one slipped. And so it's bath time now. Okay, I'm not looking forward to that mess cleanup, but yeah, they had fun for like less than 10 minutes. Let's go inside and clean these children up. Join us for more adventures and we'll see you guys soon.